Getting married is supposed to be a magical journey that every bride wants to start off by looking her absolute best. So we've put together some essential makeup tips that are going to take you through the fun, festivities, dancing, and even the tears. Leave bride in the comments below to get a list of the best makeup products to have in your bridal kit. A bridal glow must come from within. If you want to keep your skin supple and dewy, you need to hydrate it with a lot of water prior to the big event. For at least 2 to 3 weeks before the big day, ensure that your water intake is a minimum of 3 liters a day. You can try eating foods that contain a high percentage of water, such as cucumbers or watermelons, to add refreshing fruity flavors to your water to make it sipping it through the day enjoyable. Scour Pinterest to find your perfect wedding makeup look and schedule a trial with your chosen makeup artist at least a week before the big day. This gives you the opportunity to experiment with different looks or refine the one you've chosen until it's perfect. Also, take plenty of pictures to make sure the look works both on and off camera. Follow a strict skincare regime at least a month and a half prior to the wedding so you know what works and what doesn't for your own skin. Then, on the actual day, prep your skin at least a few hours before you apply your makeup to really make it glow. Use a non-greasy, fast-absorbing moisturizer as it acts as the perfect base and gives your skin a healthy finish. Then use a lip balm to prevent flaky lips. Natural light is flattering on all skin tones, so doing your makeup sitting against a large window will give you an exact representation of what your makeup is going to look like during the day and in photos as well. This way you can easily tick all the basics of your makeup look. Get the perfect foundation shade, make sure your contour is not too harsh, and achieve a seamless blend to prevent any creases and texture. For that perfect combination of bridal fashion and makeup, the key is balance. You need to make sure everything is complementary as opposed to fighting to overshadow each other. If you're wearing muted tones for your clothes, picking a bright red or pink lipstick may not be the best call. Instead, pick a darker hue from the same color family and accentuate your eyes with a dramatic liner. If you're wearing solid colors like a black or a dark blue, play up with either your eyes or your lips. You don't want very dark makeup to make you look dull either. Even happy tears can ruin your makeup look in seconds. So waterproof that look using heavy-duty products like a 16 to 24 hour foundation, waterproof mascara, and a liquid lipstick. This doesn't mean your makeup needs to look cakey. You just need to go in with one light layer of every product at a time to build a smooth, long-lasting and flawless look. A long day of wedding festivities do take a toll on your makeup. Even if everything else has worn off, a lip and cheek stain will always have your back. These products are easy to apply and stay on through the sweat and tears to give you a naturally flushed look at the end of the day. If you have oily skin, keep blotting papers and a compact in your purse. If you're going to be eating or drinking, keep your chosen shade of lipstick at hand and reapply every few hours. If tears make your under eye crease, just whip out your beauty blender to blot. This will press the product into the skin instead of leaving streaks or wiping it away. Stick by these simple tips and we promise they'll get you through your special day. We wish you lots of love, luck and happiness. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.